Hi everyone, welcome back to my Tech Stack YouTube channel. In this session today, we'll be dive into the two popular libraries for making HTTP request in Node.js. That is one whoever is using the legacy projects, and one for the modern development. Okay, so previous to this sessions, I have covered two other modules. That is one inbuilt modules like HTTP and HTTPS. Another one was Axios. So before we get started, if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any specific topics, please come back to me with a list so that I can handle it accordingly. Okay, so here in today's sessions, we'll first explore that legacy library, that is request library, which is actually depreciated, but it is still widely used in the older projects. Okay, then we will transition or go through the more flexible and the feature-rich super agent library for modern use cases. Okay, so we'll be covering the practical examples for both get and post requests and some of the best practices for handling the errors. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So let me just go ahead and create the file here. That is, I'll put request super agent.js. Okay, so let's start with the importing a module that is required of request. Okay, and let's call the API. Okay, request of HTTPS. This is going to be the same API which we have used in the previous session. That is the sample API which is given, which is publicly available. Okay. Okay. Error. Then what we will do? We will just put it as response. Then body. Then we will do a callback function. Okay. Then what we will do is if error. Then I'll print console dot error of error. Okay, I'm going to print this. Else console dot log of response colon, then I'll just put JSON dot parse of body. Okay, this is one of the legacy library which is available, which is already depreciated in the latest version. So let's try to run this and see how it works. Okay, so it's giving you the depreciated warning. Okay, but still it gives you the responses. This request library is not advisable to use right now. We should try to use the different modules as per our requirement. Okay, so here this is a request module. Okay, now let's try to go to the next module, that is super agent, which is actually flexible and very rich hyper high HTTP request library. Okay, so first what we will do here is so let me do npm install super agent. Okay, let it get installed. So here, yeah, this got installed. Okay, so the next one is, let's try to import this module. Okay, super agent equal to require of super agent. Okay, my module has been imported. Now what I'll do, I'll just do super agent dot get method. Okay, I'm going to use the same endpoint. Okay, get, then I'll just do then of response. Once we have the response, just have to print that. Okay, console dot log of response dot body. Okay, next we will have to cache, right? Once we have this, we'll also cache the error. Okay, so here we'll put console dot error of error colon, and I'll just print the error. Okay, so this one, let me go ahead and run this. Okay, so this one, this, yeah, you can see this is for the initial one, this is for the super agent get method. Okay, now let's try to use the post method and see how it works. Okay, so I'll do super agent dot post of, think I'll paste the same URL. Okay, okay, then we have dot send method. Here the difference is you will be using the dot send method. Okay, so then body bar, then we will use user ID 1. Okay, once it sends, then it will be then. What is that? Then will be the response. Okay, then we will have a callback function. Then we will just copy paste the same same code. Okay, it's going to be more or less same. So let's try to print this. This has posted and it has given the post response. Okay, this is about the super agent. How do you do a get and how do you do a post method call? Okay. Okay, that's the end of this sessions where we have explored the legacy or depreciated request library, which is ideally not supposed to be used in the modern projects, but yeah, the legacy projects are still using it. And also we have learned how to perform basic get requests for those legacy as well, for the node projects, for older node projects. Then we have also checked about the super agent and modern rich alternative that's perfect for today's development. Both libraries have their strength, and hope this session has given you the clarity to choose the right tool for your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.